Hello, my name is Silo Diaz. Today I am presenting a virtual store exhibition. I am going to talk about some products, their prices, in my opinion, about whether they are cheap, expensive, or affordable. First, I can see women's jackets in this virtual store. The Sherpa jacket costs 119,900 pesos. In my opinion, this price is affordable because it is a discount. On the other hand, the quick jacket costs 229,900 pesos. I think this product is a little expensive, but I like high quality. Sometimes I ask myself, is this price reasonable? I believe it depends on the material and durability. Next, I am looking at woman's wallet. One wallet costs 69,900 pesos and it is a 13 discount. I think this is a very good price. Another wallet costs 104,900 pesos. In comparison, this one is more expensive. Finally, there is a wallet for 63,900 pesos. I believe this one is cheap and affordable. If I ask, is this price fair? I will say yes, especially when there is a discount. Usually I shop online because it is more comfortable and faster. However, I go to the mall once a month to see the products in person. Before buying, I always compare price and look for discounts. Sometimes I wait for special promotions to save money. In general, I think Toto offers good quality products, although some items are expensive. To conclude, this virtual store shows different products with different prices. Some products are affordable while others are expensive. In my opinion, the discounted wallets are a good option. Finally, I think quality is very important when choosing a product. Thank you for watching my presentation.